Okay, right, I'm going to demonstrate my new style brake light. I got the idea through John NG. Thanks, John. And I ordered my own, it came through and I fitted it. So here we go. So first, rear brake going on, and that's it. And again, I should say foot brake, and then hand brake. Obviously it does exactly the same. And I went out on today and BMW came up behind me and I just, I thought it was a bit close, so I did that, put the front brake on a little bit, and he dropped right back. So it really works. So yeah, and got it from eBay, and it's not expensive. I think it was about £4 to £5, I think, or was it £7? I can't remember now, but it was less than £10. So yeah, very pleased with it. Okay, just to further the rear brake light mod, this is the module I bought, a strobe module, and it comes as this, but with just two wires, as you can see there, red and a black, and it just quite easily says in and out, and that's it. I've added these two plugs, and I'll show you why in a second. And I just put this, you see that, I just wrapped it with a bit of insulation tape just to sort of neaten it up. Right, now then, as for the actual Husqvarna one, for the rear brake light and the rear light, it comes in this plug here. So that remains the same, although what I decided to do, so I didn't affect the original harness, just plug that back in, is I added this plug here. Now the idea being that if I have to, if something goes wrong with the module, I can just unplug the module completely and plug that back in. So I just put a 3-pin, which is basically red and black for the brake and yellow for the backlight. So I put on that side and then just spliced it in, and then I put the pairing connectors on this. So that's on the inside, or the side that goes in through to the module. Now I added this other wire, which is the yellow wire, which goes to the light, because it's not needed within the module, so I just ran it, so it's just an extra wire going through, straight through, should I say. And then connected that. That's all in, and obviously neaten it up a bit better. Then all I have to do, switch it on, and you can see the back lights on. Put foot on the brake. There you go. That's the module working. And if I want to put it back to original, I can take the module out there. Oh, it's a bit tight. Plug it back in. So that's separated from the module. And then we're just back to normal brake light. I think it's well worth getting these little crimping kits. The end kits, you can get them all over. You can get them in the UK, you can get them fairly local from auto electricians, or you can order them from AliExpress. Just look them up. But I got this off, I think you can get off eBay as well, these connectors. I got this off eBay. It's not expensive, and it looks quite novel. There we go.